Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we are starting our next topic, that is the geometric progression. Geometric progression means if in any sequence the ratio of any term to its preceding term is constant, that is called geometric progression, and that constant ratio is called common ratio. For example, a series is given to you 5, 15, 45, 135, 405. This is a GP because suppose second term upon first term, that means 15 upon 5, this is 3. Third term upon second term, 45 upon 15, that is 3. 135 upon 45, that is also 3. So this constant ratio is called common ratio. Geometric progression. Geometric progression in which A is first term, R is common ratio, and its first term is written as A, second term is written as AR, and third term is written as AR square, fourth term is written as AR cube, fifth term is written as AR raised to power 4. And this is the general form of GP. And suppose we want to find any term of the GP. So their standard result is nth term Tn, this is equals to A R raised to power n minus 1. Suppose we want to find first term, that means A R raised to power 1 minus 1, 0. R raised to power 0 is 1, so your first term is A. And second term A R raised to power 2 minus 1, that is AR. Third term A R raised to power 3 minus 1, that means 2 AR square. So in this way we can find any term of the GP. Now sum of n terms of a GP. Let A, AR, AR square, AR cube, AR raised to power 4, this is a GP, and we want to find the sum. That means A plus AR square up to nth term, AR raised to power n minus 1. So it depends upon the value of R. If R is less than 1, then Sn equals to A into 1 minus R raised to power n upon 1 minus R. And if R is greater than 1, then A into R raised to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. And suppose आपको कि if R equals to 1, and if R equals to 1, then what is AR? A. What is AR square? This is also A. So A, this becomes a constant sequence, not a GP sequence. Okay, so it varies according to R is less than 1 or is greater than 1. So now do some questions. Find the required term of the following progression, and progression is 2, 6, 18, 54, and you have to find its ninth term. So its first term is 2, second term is 6. So what is R? That is 6 upon 2, yani 3. And you have to find ninth term. And ninth term ka formula A9, this is equals to A into R raised to power 8. A is 2, R is 3. That means 2 into 3 raised to power 8. तो सॉल्व करके आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा इसका. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, योर फर्स्ट टर्म इज 1024 and second term is minus 512. So what is R? Minus 512 upon 1024, that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, and you have to find its 10th term. 10th term, that means A into R raised to power 9. So this is 1024 into minus 1 by 2 रेज टू पावर 9। तो इसको सॉल्व करके जो हमारा आंसर होगा दैट इज़ द 10th टर्म। Now next part, that is 5, 25, 125. So its first term is 5 and second term 25. So what is R? This is 25 upon 5. That means 5. And you have to find its 40th term. 40th term, that means A into R raised to power 39. So 5 into 5 raised to power 39. So 5 raised to power 39. सॉल्व तो हम इतनी पावर्स कैसे करेंगे, तो बेस सेम है, पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी. सो दिस इज 5 raised to power 40. दैट्स योर आंसर. Now find the sum up to the required terms of the following progression. And progression is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 up to 12th term. And what is A here? This is 1 and R is 2. So R is greater than 1. That means A into R raised to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Clear? So A is 1 and R is 2. So 2 raised to power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, 1. So n is 12. 2 raised to power 12 minus 1. That's your answer. So 2 raised to power 12 की आप वैल्यू सॉल्व कर लीजिएगा एंड उसमें से 1 माइनस करके दैट्स योर आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट दैट इज़ 2, 10, 50, 250 एंड अप टू 9 terms. So first term is 2 and R is 10 upon 2, that is 5. So 5 raised to power 9 terms तक का सम का है हमें, minus 1 upon 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 5 raised to power 9 सॉल्व कर लेना क्या आएगा, तो that's your answer. Now next, that is 8, 4, 2, 1 up to 40th term. First term is 8 and common ratio, that is 4 upon 8. 4 upon 8 means to say 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is less than 1. So its formula is so A into 1 minus R raised to power n upon 1 minus R. That means 8 into 1 minus half raised to power n upon 1 minus half, this is half. तो ये 1 by 2 ऊपर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स दिस बिकम्स 16 इंटू, यहाँ से आप एलसीएम लोगे 2 रेज टू पावर n माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 रेज टू पावर n. तो आप n की वैल्यू पुट कर लो, दैट इज़ 40. सो दैट्स योर आंसर्स. So by this way you can try rest of the questions. So try the questions and ask the problems if you faced any. Thank you and have a nice day.